My gosh, a cruise ship being screened for the coronavirus. Oh man, this is getting serious, bro. All right, let's see what CNN's talking about. Weather alert.
Well, some wild weather sweeping through the south with some powerful winds felt in several
Yeah,
cities there.
CNN. What are you talking about, CNN?
Concerns over the coronavirus are growing this morning as
Oh boy.
passengers on a second cruise ship are being tested. This ship docked on American shores. The ship is a Royal Caribbean cruise liner called Anthem of the Seas, and it docked in New Jersey this morning. And the latest from the Centers for Disease Control is
Interesting.
assessing passengers for the virus. New Jersey governor
Man, this is getting crazy.
7 people on
What's
board
gonna happen?
who had been to mainland China recently have been screened, and all but 4 now have been.
What the? That's a siren? What's on TV, bro? What's happening?
This is a message from the United States government. This is a national emergency. The Air and Space Defense Command has detected the launch of 8 nuclear missiles off the coast of China and is expected to make direct impact in the United States within 30 to 45 minutes. The areas impacted include the state of Hawaii, Los Angeles, California, Seattle, Washington, Chicago, Illinois, New York City, New York, Washington, D.C., Charlotte, North Carolina, and Orlando, Florida. If you live within a 400-mile radius of these areas, then you need to seek a fallout shelter in your area. Fallout is a dangerous byproduct of nuclear attacks. Long exposure to fallout can result in severe illness and even death. You will need to pack non-perishable foods, bottled water, and a battery-powered radio for extended stay within your fallout shelter. Do not leave your fallout shelter until the all-clear is given, or a government official instructs you to do so. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines are to be kept open for emergency use only. This is an emergency action notification. All radio and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification. We have interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. This is the emergency alert system serving the Chatham County area. If this is not your area, then find stations broadcasting information for your area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines are to be kept open for emergency use.